This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone and power source. This matters because charging speed depends on both. First, plug the original Oppo charger and cable into a dedicated wall outlet. Do not use a hub. Next, enable airplane mode and quit background apps to reduce power draw. Once done, set the screen timeout low. Make sure the phone is cool and remove bulky cases that trap heat. This reduces thermal throttling and lets the charging circuit run at full rate. You now optimize both software and physical conditions so charging can proceed faster. Go to Settings and enable SuperVOOC or Fast Charge because the phone negotiates higher current only when the mode is active. Then stop background sync and turn off Wi-Fi or Bluetooth if unnecessary. This lowers load. Use the original short cable. Long, thin cables raise resistance. Also, place the phone on a cool surface, and once thermal protection engages, you complete the session by monitoring and adjusting. Fast charging typically rushes to about 80% before tapering, so keep it plugged during the high current phase for maximum benefit. Use a charging info app or inline ammeter to confirm current. If you see low amps, try another original charger and cable. If speed stays poor, reboot the phone and update firmware. Make sure the device is cool. If problems persist, contact Oppo support. There may be a hardware fault or battery protection limiting charge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.